Introduction to teasers on Bovada. To get started with teasers on Bovada, you need to understand the basics of sports betting and the concept of teasers. A teaser is a type of bet that allows you to adjust the point spread of a game in your favor. This can be done by moving the point spread a certain number of points in exchange for a lower payout. Step 1. Choosing your teaser. To choose your teaser on Bovada, go to the Sportsbook section and select the sport you want to bet on. Then choose the type of bet you want to place, which in this case is a teaser. You will be given the option to choose between different types of teasers, such as 2-team 3-point teaser or 3-team 7-point teaser. Step 2. Understanding teaser options. Each teaser option has its own set of rules and payouts. For example, a 2-team 3-point teaser will move the point spread 3 points in your favor for each game, but the payout will be lower than a standard point spread bet. A 3-team 7-point teaser will move the point spread 7 points in your favor, but you need to win all 3 games to get paid. Step 3. Placing your teaser bet. Once you have chosen your teaser option, you can start selecting the games you want to include in your teaser. You can choose from a variety of games and point spreads to create your teaser. Make sure to review the payout and the rules of the teaser before placing your bet. Step 4. Managing your bankroll. It is essential to manage your bankroll when placing teaser bets. Since teasers have a lower payout than standard point spread bets, you need to make sure you are not betting too much of your bankroll on a single teaser. It is recommended to start with a small bet and gradually increase your stake as you become more comfortable with teaser bets. Conclusion. Teasers on Bovada can be a fun and exciting way to bet on sports. By understanding the concept of teasers and how to place them, you can increase your chances of winning. Remember to always manage your bankroll and start with small bets to minimize your risk. With practice and experience, you can become a successful teaser bettor on Bovada.